Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace your BMW key fob battery. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to press on this plastic tab and separate the emergency key from the key fob. Now that you separated the emergency key, you will put the emergency key in between this loop and this little plastic right here and gently pry up. Now you will separate the back cover from the key fob and you have accessed the 2450 battery. Once you replace the 2450 battery, you will take the back side of the key fob, put this end first and gently press it in. Now you will take the emergency key, put it back in the hole, and you have just replaced your BMW key fob battery. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up.